at Daffin, and this is Galen Runge. We're both from C&T Publishing, and today Galen is going to tell me all about a new product that we have that I know nothing about. So take it away, Galen.
This is the Ultimate Quilt Block Design Set. And Amy knows nothing. I have kept it from her because I'm so excited to show her about it.
So what does it do?
It is, it's a tool, but
Okay.
it's really just something to play with.
All right.
You get to learn how to create your own dynamic blocks.
Cool.
Yeah, here they are. There's 20 blocks in there, and each one is divided into 9 sections, 4
Okay.
corners, 4 sides, and 1 center. And you basically get to mix and match and spin things around to your heart's content.
Wow.
So here, take a block. This is actually parts of 3 different blocks.
Okay.
So put them together. Here you go. You have corners from 19, sides from 10, center from 11.
Oh, and I like how it makes that. Is that a
Look at that little star in the center.
Yeah.
But take this. Here, help me. Spin around at the corners.
Okay.
And you get a totally different looking block.
Oh, wow.
Looks like little arrows on the outside.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Mm-hmm.
And you can also, here, take out the sides and centers
Okay.
and put this together, and you have a little 4 patch.
Oh, wow.
Okay, so then what happens if we spin these around like this?
Oh, wow.
That's a totally different block.
That is a totally different
I'm going to
block.
keep going.
Okay.
And I'm going to spin each one just 90 degrees.
Okay.
And,
Wow, there really is a lot you can do with it.
Yep. And if you keep going, I'm just going to stack them.
Okay.
Here we stack. So you just keep playing
Mm-hmm.
until you find a block idea that you like.
Great.
Then you can snap a photo of it.
All right.
Let's go back over here into this block design set, and it actually helps you make the blocks as well.
So this is the instruction booklet that comes with it. So tell me about what's on these pages.
So these are construction charts, and each block, each of these has a little number on it. This is 19. So if we go to 19, could have picked a lower number. That would have helped.
That's okay. All right.
We go to 19, and this is the corner.
Okay.
And it shows you how many pieces of what side you need, and it helps you build each unit in 3 different sizes, 12-inch, 16, 24, and 32.
Okay. So this is a lot like the Quilt Builder card deck in how it helps you know what to cut and how big, but it's broken down by each component.
Yeah.
So when you're mixing and matching.
You can mix and match to your heart's content.
I see.
And because these are all done in grayscale, it helps you envision it in whatever colors you want.
So now I think you brought some fabric, right?
I did. Now you can picture it in your blocks in your own fabric of your choice.
Oh, I love it.
So Amy, you need to design your own block. Go have fun. Yeah.
Thank you so much for bringing this and showing me today. I get it. I love it. I can't wait to try it.